हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू विद्या मंदिर IIT नीट सेल। और मैं हूं संदीप पाटिल। तो आज के इस लेक्चर में हम नेक्स्ट जो ट्रेंड है, बहुत परिचित है आपको, 9th 10th में आपने सुना है, पढ़ा है इसके बारे में। दैट इज वैलेंस और वैलेंसी, वैलेंस और वैलेंसी। सो हियर ऐसा बोला गया है, वैलेंसी इज द कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एलिमेंट। सोचिए केमिस्ट्री में हम क्या सोचते हैं? जनरली व्हाट वी थिंक अबाउट द केमिकल रिएक्शंस। कौन ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है, कौन कम रिएक्टिव है, कौन एसिडिक है, कौन बेसिक है, कौन न्यूट्रल है। We all discuss about the chemical behavior of the elements, atoms of elements. Okay, so बहुत ही सिंपल या बेसिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ वैलेंस और वैलेंसी इज द कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एलिमेंट। एक एलिमेंट का दूसरे एलिमेंट से कैसे कंबाइन होता है। सो either it will give, take or share electrons. Losing, gaining or sharing of electrons will take place. The first thing you should remember कौन से एलिमेंट्स केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन में हिस्सा लेते हैं। Which are the elements which take part in chemical combination? The outermost what? Electrons. कौन से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? ओके, कौन से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन में टेक पार्ट? Which electrons will take part in the chemical combination? Which electrons? So outermost electrons, and this total number of outermost electrons, the total number of outermost electrons is called as the valence electrons. Valence electrons or valency or valence is different. Valence electrons कितने हैं? The number of electrons present in the outermost shell, we call it as valence electrons. All right, let us see. For example, if you take sodium, atomic number 11, okay, so electronic EC, electronic configuration 2 8 1. Magnesium, atomic number 12, so 2 8 2. Aluminium, atomic number 13, 2 8 3. So here you should notice that number of electrons in the outermost shell, valence electrons 1. What is the valency? Valency is also 1. It will give 1 electron and it will become Na plus by giving electron, plus E minus, it has given electron, Na plus. So that is a sodium cation. In the same way, when magnesium loses 2 electron, so it will be Mg plus plus or plus 2E minus. You could see here number of electrons in the outermost shell of Mg is 2, valency is 2. The number of electrons in the outermost shell of aluminium is 3, valency is 3. So the combining capacity of an element, is called its valency or valence electrons. So the number of electrons in the outermost shell of sodium is 1, magnesium is 2, aluminium is 3. So the valence electrons is 1, valency is 1. Valence electron 2, valency is 2. Valence electron 3, valency is 3. तो ये देखने के बाद लोगों को लगता है जितने नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आउटर मोस्ट शेल में है वही वैलेंसी है। दैट इज नॉट ऑलवेज ट्रू। फिर क्या करने का, नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट्स देखो, नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट्स देखो। अभी आई विल गिव यू द another example. If I take suppose phosphorus, atomic number 15, phosphorus लिया 285. So valence electrons 5, valency is 3. Valency is 3. From this you understand the number of electrons required to complete the octet. 5 देने से बदले 3 लेना फायदेमंद चीज है। इसलिए now it will not give 5 electrons, it will take 3 electrons. So the valence electrons, the number of electrons in the outermost shell is 5, but valency is not 5 here, it is 3. General valence. ऐसे वेरिएबल ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट या वेरिएबल वैलेंसी भी हो सकती है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन हायर टर्म्स, हायर स्टैंडर्ड, दैट इज द 12th स्टैंडर्ड। अभी तो फिलहाल वैलेंस और वैलेंसी का हम ट्रेंड देखने वाले, ट्रेंड्स इन अ पीरियड, इन अ ग्रुप। लेट अस सी। सो नाउ वैलेंसी ऑफ phosphorus विल बी 3. Now how to find that valency I will tell. General. There are variable oxidation state or variable valence. अभी oxidation state is nearly equal to valency or valence. Alright? ठीक है. Now next one. Please see what is the valency or valence in a period. देखो, in a period ऐसा देखा गया है, इन अ पीरियड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट वैलेंसी इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 1 to 4, increases from 1 to 4. 4 is the maximum value, again from 4 to 0. In a period from left to right, valency first increases, reaches a maximum value of 4 and again decreases, isn't it? Let us see one period, example of second period. Which one is that? HE, LiBe, BCNOF neon, BCNOF neon, BCNOF neon. So this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could see here. Atomic number 3, valency is 2, 1. Here valency is 2, 2. Here valency is 2, 3. Valency? EC, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is 2, 1. Beryllium 2, 2. This is 2, 3. This is 2, 4. 2, 5. 2, 6. 2, 7. 2, 8. Now see. So how many electrons are there in the outermost shell? 1. What is the valency? 1. So lithium loses 1 electron and becomes Li plus. Here also valency is 2. Here valency is 3. Okay. Valency is 4. So increase from 1 to 4. And again, here the number of electrons in the outermost shell is 5, but valency is 3. Valence electron 5. How many valence electron? Valence electron means number of electrons in the outermost shell is 5, but valency is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So ठीक है, valency is 3. Now see, valency increases from 1 to 4 till carbon, and again decreases from 4 to 0. So अभी वैलेंसी इसकी 3 है, इसकी वैलेंसी 2 है. 6 electrons in the outermost shell, requires 2 electrons to complete its octet. So valency is 2. Here requires 1 electron, valency is 1. And here octet complete, देत नाही, घेत नाही, शेअर करत नाही, that is a sannyasi. Alright, so it is stable. 0. So valency initially increases from 1 to 4 and decreases from 4 to 0. This is the trend in a period. In a period, it is a trend. Now, still now, whatever trends you have seen, which trends? Atomic radius, electronegativity, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and now fifth, valency. 4 already you have seen trends, but in every 4, in all the 4, there was a at least decrease and then increase. Here, valency increases, takes a maximum value of 4 and again decreases. Alright, in a period. But in a group, what happens? In a group, let us check out the group 1. Group 1, alkali metals. Okay, group 1, alkali metals. So let us see. Group 1, H. No fixed position was given to hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन का ऐसा चीज है, एटॉमिक नंबर 1 है, इसलिए हम इधर रखते हैं उसको, नो डाउट. बट हाइड्रोजन रिजेंबल्स, लुक्स लाइक, बिहेव्स लाइक alkali metals and also like halogens. So no fixed position was given to hydrogen. So hydrogen is kept separately in the periodic table. Alright? Yes. So hydrogen का problem है. You know that song in Marathi. कोणता झेंडा घेऊ हाती विठ्ठला. So whether I have to go here or go here, the answer is tu apakshara. No problem. Alright? So here, Helena ka Ruby say friendship. Helena ka Ruby say friendship. So atomic number 1, here 3, here 11, 19, so on, 37. Okay. So here 1, here 2, 1, here 2, 8, 1. Here 2, 8, 8, 1, so on, 2, 8, 8, 8, 1, like this. Here, the valence electrons is same, valency will be the same. So in a group, do you understand why the chemical properties in a group remain the same? Why? Because valence electrons remain the same. अरे outermost electron ही decide करते हैं what will be the chemical properties. जो outermost electron अगर same है तो उनकी valency same है, अगर valency same है तो combining capacity same है, अगर combining capacity same है तो chemical properties same है. So you will understand that in a group valency will remain the same, in a period it will increase and then decrease. Do you understand? Do you agree? Okay. Alright. Now here, one question you have to search from the sources and tell me the answer. Whether oxidation state and valency are one and the same? If there is a difference, what is the difference? Valency, oxidation state. Now valency, group 1, 1. Oxidation state, +1. Group 2, valency 2. Oxidation state, +2. So, is there any slight difference? They seem almost same. Same वाटतात ते बरं का. Then what is the difference in valency and oxidation state? So you have to write in the comment box difference. Very slight difference. Terms are almost the same. Difference between oxidation state or oxidation number or valence. मॉडर्न टर्म में वैलेंस बोलते हैं. जब हम 12th स्टैंडर्ड में थे तो वैलेंसी बोलते थे. वैलेंसी और वैलेंस. So this answer you have to give in the comment box. Keep watching, keep enjoying and please be regular. जो रेगुलर वही ऑल क्लियर. शैम्पू है क्या? नहीं, your understanding and your concept be there.